Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, a compact yet powerful cleaning solution for virtually every corner of your home. Whether you're dealing with pet stains, spilled wine, or the daily dirt and grime of life, this little machine promises to be your go-to tool for a cleaner, fresher home. First off, it's important to note that every purchase of the BISSELL Little Green supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which is dedicated to helping save homeless pets. Not only are you investing in your home's cleanliness, but you're also contributing to a great cause. One of the standout features of the Little Green is its powerful suction. This machine is designed to tackle tough pet spots and stains, not just on carpets, but on upholstery, car interiors, and more. It's incredibly satisfying to see it lift away stains that I thought were permanent. The Model 1400B comes with exclusive specialty tools like the Hydro Rinse Self-Cleaning Hose Tool and the Spraying Crevice Tool. These are game changers for reaching those tight spaces and ensuring the hose itself stays clean. Its portable and versatile design is a huge plus. Weighing in at just the right size, it's easy to carry around the house or out to the car without breaking a sweat. And with a large 48-ounce tank, you can tackle multiple spots without needing to refill constantly. Included in the package is a trial-size 8-ounce spot and stain formula with Febreze freshness. This not only helps in removing tough stains like coffee, wine, grease, and more, but also leaves a fresh, clean scent behind. It's perfect for homes with pets or kids, or really anyone who loves a clean and fresh-smelling space. The BISSELL Little Green is truly multi-purpose. It's effective on carpets, stairs, upholstery, area rugs, auto interiors, and more. Plus, it includes a 3-inch tough stain tool, Hydro Rinse Self-Cleaning Hose Tool, Spraying Crevice Tool, and a 1-year limited warranty. In conclusion, the BISSELL Little Green 1400B model is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly cleaner that's ideal for anyone looking to tackle a variety of stains and odors throughout their home. Its support for the BISSELL Pet Foundation is a cherry on top, making it a purchase you can feel good about in more ways than one. Thank you for watching. Check in the description for the latest price. See you next time.